LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys. Notice, when trying to repair your laptop keyboard keys, searching by the laptop brand and model may not always be enough information. Many times, laptop manufacturers produce keyboards that look the same on the outside, however, have differences underneath the keys. The differences include the hinges, retainer clips, and cup color. To help you find the correct tutorial for your key, we have created a searchable database at LaptopKey.com. Simply go to LaptopKey.com, select your laptop brand, model number, and then a visual list of key types will appear. Select the video tutorial that matches your key. That's all. You're now ready to fix your keyboard.
Okay, so this is the instructional video on how to install your keys onto your keyboard. Start out by looking at the metal plates that are on the keyboard. You can see there's two hooks to the right, top and bottom, and one larger hook here to the left. Now make sure to look at the different keys because those parts can change position, and it's going to change the position of these pieces here. So sometimes the single large hook that in this case is to the left, it might be to the right or the bottom or the top. So what we're going to do right now is click these two pieces together to make one, and you do that by determining the position for this piece first. You can see that at the left it has two sticks, and to the right, top and bottom, there's two sticks that are a tiny bit longer. Those longer ones have to be facing the two hooks, the two small hooks. They're to the right, so in this case we're going to put these large sticks to the right also. Now make sure not to put this whole piece upside down by feeling underneath the top or bottom bar here. If you feel a bump, that faces the keyboard, and on top it's supposed to be smooth. So now you know the position for this piece. Put it down for now. Get the next piece, which is this, and you can see that it has a small bar to the right, two sticks in the middle, and a larger bar to the left. That large bar that's on the left has to face the single hook. That's why we said to the left, but really if the hook is to the right, then you want to change that bar. So in this case it's to the left, we leave it like that. Then we make sure not to put this whole piece upside down by feeling the left half of it. If you feel that the gap, there's a gap because the right side is thicker than the left side. So on top it's just the only difference is the bar here, the end bar, but at the top it's like thinner from pretty much halfway down. The whole left half is thinner. So now you know the position for those two pieces. What you want to do is put the bottom, the small piece underneath the larger piece like that, and put it right through the large piece, and you know, just pretty much turn the whole piece around, and you can see that the small piece has holes. Now press down on those two pieces so that the sticks can go into the holes that are on the larger piece, and there you go. Both pieces are one piece now. What you want to do is you want to put the large sticks in where the two hooks are. Make sure they get all the way through also. Then you get a thin object. What I use is a blade, and I hold down this part here that's already in with the two hooks, and what I'm trying to do right now is stretch the plastic pieces so that the metal hook can grab onto the bar here on the small piece. So I put the blade in between the rubbery cup and the plastic pieces, and then I stretch both pieces until I hear a click. Also, it might help if you just go directly to the bar, the plastic bar, and stretch it that way while stretching the whole piece until you can push down enough so that the hook grabs onto the bar. Then after doing that, you want to push it back to secure it. Now what you want to do is put your key right in the center and push down evenly on all four sides, and that'll be it. This can take a few turns. There you go. It's a bit crooked, but you can just push it or take it off and put it back on.
LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys.